Okay, so today I found myself tearing apart the engine. This is the original Datsun engine. Let's just get started. 2J. Let's go. Alright, so we out here. New hubs and spacers. Yo, we out here about to take the engine out. Got a Abass over there. About to cut the exhaust off. Got the hood off. Alright, so what's up? Look, I'm gonna go over my plans with the Datsun. Usually, like, I want to go as, you know, I progress. As I get to a certain stage, I want to only think about that stage so it's not overwhelming me. But my overall plans is to make it like a fun daily, but also like a track car. I have all the track modifications, just overall handling, performance of it. That's why I chose to pick up the FT600. I'm gonna pick up some adjustable coilovers, adjustable suspension all the way around. Let me go into details with the FT600. Now, it's basically taking a standalone ECU, which I'm pretty sure they have plenty of them that's pretty plug and play applications. For this application, it's not just plug and play, because people have done it, but no one put it down on paper of how it's done. Like, they've done it, but they haven't put it on paper of how it's done. So I'm probably going to be one to document it in a way, because I mean, why not? I think it was very cool what Fuel Tech was doing, just incorporating the whole ECU itself into a digital dash. Now I'm pretty sure other companies have done it, but since this is one that I was willing to go with, I said why not. And last thing I want to cheap out on is ECU or my digital dash, because I want to be able to tell when something goes wrong. I don't want any like weird feedback where I'm sitting there guessing. So with that being said, I got their 10-foot unterminated harness, which I'm pretty sure it'll work perfectly fine. So I'm in the process of getting the actual like frame and body work of the car in line. That way, when it comes to paint, mocking up my engine mounts. As far as like, I'm doing custom mounts, of course. I'm not sure if I want to go straight to the actual frame of the car or just the subframe, like the original engine was. So I'm gonna take pictures and document it. I'm gonna try to, you know, get more video footage of me actually like doing it. This is going to turn out to be a good project. I've been working on it for at least 2 years now, so overall I'm happy with the project so far. We almost got the engine fully built. Just waiting on turbo setup, minor stuff like harmonic balancers and stuff like that to come in. But I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted, and we'll see what happens with it. Hope for the best. Okay.
Supra-Datsun.
Alright, I have a tire, old tire, back of my car. I'm gonna sit this engine on that tire. Got it out. No, everything's gone. So today was pretty good. We got a lot of work done. We put his new hubs on. We put on his wheel spacers all the way around. It looked good. And on top of that, we worked on a 280 a little bit. Stay posted, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one.